Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to talk about PuppyDex token. Here we are to the website of the project. This is a new project and you should definitely get into this as this is already trending on. So here we have all the required details of the project. You can buy PuppyDex on PancakeSwap, and here we have live Dex Skinner chart and official contract address. You have to check the contract address and official Dex Skinner to know more about the project. Here we can see track trending tokens, scan projects and trade smarter on BSC. PuppyDex is a fun, community-driven meme coin built with ambition, powered by GPT. So as we can see here, we have live Dex Skinner. You can check out the details about their price, which is in USDT, and the price which in BNB. Then we have the liquidity and then market cap value. Everything is mentioned here. All you have to do is to check the details from here. Here we have some recent transactions and the data, and we can see the live trending charts. Everything is mentioned here, so you have to read the details from here and you have to be check that what is the details about this project. But first you must be able to know more about this project. Here we can see this is a transparently developed using AI, no hidden team, just real vision. Then you can see no taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion and no burn on redistribution fees. So PuppyDex is a community-driven meme-inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transactions, fees and fixed supply, PuppyDex offers seamless trading and strong emphasis on community involvement, aiming to build a lasting, decentralized ecosystem. And then mission and vision. So it aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in a fun, community-driven ecosystem, and their mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial rewards without traditional barriers to centralization. And then VN is to establish PuppyDex as a leading meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities, and thereby adding lasting value to the cryptocurrency space. So here we have the journey that how does the journey begins. Everything is mentioned here. Okay, to buy the token, here we have PancakeSwap. You have to buy the token through PancakeSwap. All you have to do is to connect your wallet from here, and then you have to select the wallet, and then simply you have to add some BNB, and simply you have to convert your BNB chain into PuppyDex token, and you have to simply buy the token from here. To buy the token, there has simply details to buy the token. First of all, you have to simply get details of the how to buy this token. Here we have step-by-step details of buying the token. You can check out you can set a wallet. You can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then you have to add some DNB, and then you have to simply go to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet on PancakeSwap, and then you have to simply swap BNB to PuppyDex, and simply you have to confirm the transaction. So in this steps you're going to buy the token. We also have the social link here. We have Twitter of PuppyDex. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more information about the project. And we also have the Telegram community. You have to join the Telegram community to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. And it's better to join the social channels to be able to understand the project easily. Okay guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Thank you so much for watching.